The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 has been all leaked. The full spec sheet has been revealed, along with the official renders, the price, and release date. I'll tell you everything you need to know about it in this video. Let's get into it. First of all, let's take a look at the new design. Overall, it's not that much different, but still there are some changes, such as the capability of replacing the lens in case of damage or to put ND filters on. It's a very important feature for an action cam, and it was a negative point of the Ace Pro 1. There's also a new front-facing microphone, which wasn't even there on the previous model. But the bigger upgrades are inside. While the sensor keeps the same size, 1.3 inches, it's upgraded to 50 megapixels. It now records 8K up to 30 FPS in 16:9. But the most improved part should be the video processing. With a new 5nm chip, it will bring significant upgrades to low-light scenarios, but also to the camera's performance and video optimization. That's about it for the hardware upgrades, so let's move on to the price and the release date. The Insta360 Ace Pro 2 will start at $399 for the standard combo. If the leak is correct, it's a great price decrease. And it put it at the same level of the Action 5 Pro, which will be its main competitor. Finally, the release date. Unfortunately, there are few details about it, but considering the leaks we have, which are pretty detailed, it shouldn't be far away. I would say it will be pretty surely in October. I'll keep you updated with all the leaks in almost real time when they come out with community posts, so subscribe to not miss them.